Happy Halloween, everybody. I'm in beautiful downtown Fayetteville, Georgia. See? Ta-da! It's the old City Hall there. And take a look. The Great Pumpkin Festival was canceled, right? That's what it says. Great Pumpkin Festival canceled. Historic courthouse lawn. This is where we're at, right? But, not to be deterred, take a look at this. Ta-da! The show still went on. Some of our old friends. How you doing? Happy Halloween to you. Carrying the Fayette County news. Kids Zone Whitewater Church Pumpkin Patch. See that? Now, we did have rain today, but they expected a lot more rain than came. But it didn't stop these kids from coming out, and with their parents, of course, and laying out these great pumpkins. Now, normally, this spread would extend all the way down and around the corner here. My video from last year had that, okay? All the way down. But because of the weather, it's smaller, but nonetheless, still impressive. Look at that one. That's cool. That's cool. The Great Pumpkin Festival, see that? They do this every year for Halloween. Now, I don't know how many years this goes back. Long day up the pumpkin patch. Growing minds. See? Now, you gotta admit, this is cool. So, it's nice to see that whether or not, the show must go on. Not bad. Not bad at all. And beautiful downtown Fayetteville. Got the Twisted Taco, law offices. Still haven't been to the Twisted Taco yet. County offices are over there. Yeah. I'm getting to learn the lay of the land here. Look at that. Fayette County News. Keeping print news alive. So to speak. The show wasn't really canceled. The show did go on. Subscribe to Zenny62 on YouTube. See ya.